I know what you're thinking. This looks like dog doo-doo. This is not your ordinary dog doo-doo. It is not. It is a fruit. Got a big old bag of them. Some of them are broken because I had them in my pocket. Open them up to get the fruit that's on the inside. Never opened one with one hand. Stringy. I don't know if you can see, but it's kind of stringy. It kind of looks very disgusting. And like this is a piece of fruit, very tiny. But you just eat it like this. They have seeds. I don't know if you can eat the seeds or not, but they're small enough to go down my throat, so I usually eat them. Sus, full peeled tamarind. Now we're gonna put it in some chamoy y tahini. So you get your chamoy out like this, then you pour it in here. Get your tahini, like so. Dog poo poo. Stick it in there, rub it around. All ooey gooey. Oh, see, went down the wrong way. 10 to bushin'. This cost me $900. These cost me $0, although they are very ugly and I don't want them. She cost me $0.